Welcome all of you. So today in this video we are going to take up double valued angles and triple valued angles. We are going to do the proving type of questions in this video. So let's see. Find the value of 2 sine 15 cos 15. Okay, find the value of 2 sine 15 and cos 15. Now what do you do for this? Which formula do we use? We use sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a. So when we see that these two angles are equal and then there is a sine and a cos, then we use this formula. Okay, so now we have straight away sine, come this side, sine 30 degrees, applying the formula. Sine 30 is a half, isn't it? So we got our answer. Let's see the next one. These are simple questions. Cos square pi by 12 minus sine square pi by 12. How much is the value? So cos square pi by 12 minus sine square pi by 12. Again we are using this formula. Cos 2a is cos square a minus sine square a. Here the angle gets doubled. Okay, whatever angle you have here it will get doubled. So all you have to do is cos 2 into pi by 12, right? Cos 2 into pi by 12, this is pi by 6. Cos pi by 6, that makes it cos how much? Cos pi by 6 is, this is 30 degree, pi by 6 is a 30 degree, cos 30 degree becomes root 3 by 2. Okay. Now there is a question which says cos pi by 8 into sine pi by 8 and find the value of this. Okay. Here what to do? All we will do is multiply with, so recognize the formula that we are going to use and then divide with a 2, because if we have multiplied with a 2 we have to divide with a 2. Okay, now use this formula, sine pi by 8 into 2, which is pi by 4, by that 2. Okay, that by 2 remains. So pi by 4, sine pi by 4 is a 1 by root 2, and then you put that, this 2 also. That is our answer. Now the next one that we have is sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. We have to find sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta and tan 2 theta when theta is in quadrant 1, okay, in the first quadrant. Then so if sine theta is 3 by 5, that means this is the triangle. Okay, from here we can get cos theta also. Cos theta is 4 by 5, right? And tan theta is a 3 by 4, right? So cos theta is a 4 by 5 and tan theta is a 3 by 4. Now let us start with sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta, which is equal to 2 into sine theta is already 3 by 5 and cos theta is a 4 by 5. Okay, so then we get 24 by 25. That is the first answer. Now the second answer is cos 2 theta. Straight away go for cos square theta minus sine square theta, right? And that is how much? Cos square theta minus sine square theta, that is equal to cos square theta minus sine square theta is 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. Okay, and that comes to 7 by 25. Okay, now we'll do tan 2 theta. What is tan 2 theta? Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta and 1 minus tan square theta. That is 2 into tan theta is 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 minus 9 by 16, which is 2, 3 by 2, and this is 16 above and 7 below. That is equal to 24 by 7. Okay, that is equal to 24 by 7. Now, if we say if theta is in second quadrant, how does the sum change? Okay, theta is in second quadrant, then sine 2 theta is how much? Now, if theta is in the second quadrant, that is theta is here, then sine is positive, but then cos, again we'll do this. Okay, theta 4. Cos theta is, cos is negative here, all sine tan cos. Cos is negative, minus 4 by 5, and tan is also negative, minus 3 by 4, right? Okay, that is why with the same value, the answers will now change. Now, sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, so 2 into 3 by 5 into minus 4 by 5. Okay, so 2 into 3 by 5 into minus 4 by 5, which gives minus 24 by 25 this time. So see how the value has changed. Okay, cos 2 theta, this is cos square theta minus sine square theta, that is equal to cos theta is a 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25, that is equal to 7 by 25. This is not changing because the squaring takes away the minus. Okay, now the tan 2 theta. Okay, tan 2 theta is how much? Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta, 1 minus tan square theta is our formula. 2 into minus 3 by 4, 1 minus 9 by 16, minus 3 by 2, and this is 7, this is minus 3 by 2, and the 7 goes, the 16 goes up, the 7 comes down. Okay, so the 16 goes up and the 7 comes down, this is 8, minus 24 by 7 is the answer. Now you see, because of the change in quadrant, how this value and the other value changed. Okay, our next question is cos 6 alpha in terms of cos 3 alpha. How to write this? Now we can see the angle has just doubled. So which formula we are going to use? Cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. So here cos 6 alpha has to be on the left. Cos 6 alpha is equal to 2 cos square 3 alpha minus 1. Tan 8 alpha in terms of tan 4 alpha. Tan 4 alpha. Again, this is a very simple question. Tan, we used this formula in the last question. 2 tan alpha, 2 tan 4 alpha, 1 minus tan square 4 alpha. Okay, 2 tan alpha, 1 minus tan square 4 alpha. So this is the second question. Okay, when they say in terms of something, that has to be on the right hand side. Sine 5 theta by 2 in terms of cos 5 theta. Okay, so how to find this? We are going to use this formula. Cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sine square a by a. Cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sine square a. So here we have to, in terms of this, in terms of cos this side. So I will change the formula like this. Sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. Okay, by 2. By 2. Okay. So now that will be used here. So sine 5 theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos 5 theta by 2. But that is not what they want. They want this, okay, which is 1 minus cos 5 theta by 2. Put a plus minus here, okay, because we are finding the square root. Because this is square, we can't give this. We have to find the square root, so it gets a plus minus, okay. So you see, we are only using the we are using all the formulae of double angle values, okay, one after the other. Okay, this is our next sum. Now here we will just take this x plus 1 by x whole cube, which is x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3x square into 1 by x plus 3x 1 by x square. Okay, so now we are going to do this 1 by x cube plus, this is what we have to find, see, okay, 3, and here it is going to get reduced, okay, 3, this is x plus 1 by x, yeah, and x plus 1 by x we are going to put a 2 cos theta because this is given to us whole cube, okay, here also plus 1 by x cube plus 3 and then into 2 cos theta, and here 8 cos cube theta. Okay, we have reached cos cube theta. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is a 8 cos cube theta minus 6 cos theta. Okay, so this is, now here it looks like we can apply a formula here. What is the formula of cos 3 theta? Cos 3 theta is, this is coming from triple angle formula. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is our coming from triple angle formula. Okay, we are going to use that, but we can't use it here just like that. We have to do some taking common. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now you see what we got. Okay, that is equal to 2 into, this is cos 3 theta, cos 3 theta, which is equal to, we need to prove this. So 2 cos 3 theta, hence it is proved. Okay, so you can see we have finally from this side we have gone to this side. Okay, using the identity, one identity is this and another is this one. Okay, we have used this. Okay, sin phi minus cos phi is 1 minus sin 2 phi. Now how do you prove? We have to prove this. Okay, left hand side will start from the LHS. So the LHS will be sin square phi plus cos square phi minus 2 sin phi cos phi. Okay, that is 1 minus, this is again using identity, not 2 anymore, sin 2 phi. Done. That is our RHS. Prove that. Now these are simple questions. Sin 2a, 1 minus cos 2a is cot a. We have to prove this. Okay. So here we will be using two identities, left hand side. This is 2 sin a cos a, and the other one is cos 2 theta. Remember 1 minus 2 sin square theta. We are going to use this here. So 1 minus cos 2a is 2 sin square a, right? So cancel, we have how much? cos by sine, which is cot A, which is equal to RHS. So using two identities, we did it. We have to prove this side is equal to this side. We'll always start from the bigger end. Okay. Now here we have, remember we have a formula in algebra, which is A cube minus B cube is A minus B, A square plus B square plus AB. We are going to use that. Okay. So here LHS, cos A minus sin A, that is A minus B, cos square A plus sin square A plus sin A cos A. Okay, exactly following that. Now here we have cos A minus sin A. We are not going to do anything with this. We are going to leave it as it is, cancel it out. We are left with this 1 plus sin A cos A. Okay, by 1. Okay, but then now we'll have to make it look like this. So we multiply here with a 2 and divide also by a 2. Okay, we multiply the numerator with a 2 and divide with a 2. So we get 2 plus 2 sin A cos A by 2, which is equal to 2 plus 2 sin A cos A, 2 plus, using identity again, sin 2A by 2, which is my RHS. Okay, that is my RHS. Okay, here we have to prove this very important question. Okay, so first we will just write RHS. We'll just write RHS and start. We'll not try to do anything with this now. We'll start from this end. 2 plus root over 2, 1 plus cos 4a. Which formula? We are using cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. This formula we are using inside the root sign. 1 plus cos 4a is here. 1 plus cos 4a is 2 cos square 2a. Yes. Okay. Then I have to remove the sign. I have to take out the root sign. So what will I get? 2 cos 2a. Right. So now again I'll take that 2 in bracket. 1 plus cos 2a. That is going to give me 1 plus cos 2a. Okay. 2 cos square a, right, into 2. Okay, that gives me 2 cos a. I think this is here, but then we have to see something else also. A belongs to first or fourth quadrant. Now first quadrant is here, fourth quadrant is here. Here cos is positive, all sine, tan and cos. In these two places cos is positive. That is why when we take it out of the root sign finally, we don't take the minus sign, we don't take the minus sign, we take only the plus sign. Therefore, this part can be equal to this. If A was lying here and here, in that case, we have to take the minus sign also. But here in this case, only plus sign is enough. Okay. So here we have to prove this. This is the bigger side. Let's start from the LHS only. So this one, according to formula, 2 tan A, 1 minus tan square A minus ck sin A. Okay, so here if I take this down, I get another tan A, right? So tan A common. 2 minus 1 minus tan square A, yes, minus this is 1. Okay, that gives tan A, then 2 minus 1 plus tan square A, and 1 minus tan square A, right? That is equal to tan A, yes, tan A, and this becomes 1. Okay, so 1 plus tan square A and 1 minus tan square A, yes, that is equal to 1 plus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A is coming from the cos 2A formula. Cos 2A is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Okay, here tan A, and then because it is the reciprocal of this, so sec 2A, which is equal to RHS. So we have proved it. So that was it from double angled and triple angled types. I'm going to take up more questions. I'm trying to take all the difficult questions from this chapter. In my next video, I'm going to take up sums where we will be doing sums on addition formula, that is sine A plus B types. Okay, and then we'll also have a video in sine in the product type of formula. Okay, so keep following. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. Also leave a comment behind if you're liking my videos. Thanks all of you. Bye then.